So what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can make the maze game in Scratch. Okay, so the maze game in Scratch is a game where you have a maze and players and your destination, okay? So let's start making it. First, the most important thing is that we obviously need a maze. So if you're like me who doesn't want to draw the maze, I will show you a free way on how to get it, okay? First, go to your browser, which is Microsoft Edge in my case. Click on that. Now, search MAZE, then space NERORETOR. Now, click on the enter button. As you can see, this should appear. Just click on this, alright? Now, as you can see, this appeared. Just change this to something, change the height to be 10 and change this to be 17. As you can see, it has automatically generated one, which is pretty fine. Okay, so as you can see here, it says download. Just click on this. Alright, it's downloaded. So I will just see where it has been downloaded. Okay, so it has been downloaded here. Alright, now let's go back to our Scratch project. Now I will just upload our sprite. So click on upload. Let's see. As you can see, sometimes it actually doesn't come up. Okay, so go back. Now click on the right side of your mouse and just click on save images. Whatever is written here, just click on save. Alright, now let's go back to a Scratch. Now just upload. Click on upload sprite. As you can see, this one appeared, so just double click this. As you can see, it should be uploaded just like so. Go to sprite 1, click on delete. Alright, now let's go to costumes, select everything. Now click on copy and go to backdrops, click on paste like so. Now go here, just delete this. Alright, select everything, select the outline to be 8 so it's dark. Alright, now hold down the alt button to make this big. And just make this down a little up, I guess. It should do pretty fine. Okay, now our maze is done. Let's start doing other things. Okay, so first click on choose a sprite. I will choose the ball sprite. Okay, here as you can see, see it says size. Set the size to be 40. Alright, now set it somewhere here. But as you can see, this is a bit too big, so just set the size to something like 30. Let's see. As you can see, it should work pretty fine. Now set it somewhere here. Alright, next thing, let's go to events. Drag a when the green flag is clicked. I'll make it a little bigger so that you can see. So when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls, drag a forever block. Alright, now we will drag 5 if then blocks. So 1, 2, make sure to put it below. Okay, 3, 4, and lastly 5. Okay, now let's go to sensing. So if 1 key, 2 key, 3 key, 4 key, which is basically up, down, left and right. Okay, so click on space and do up, click on space, do down, click on space, do right, click on space and do the left. So as you can see, we should have 4 keys like so. And for this if then block, let's just drag a touching color. Click on this and select dark color. Alright, now next thing, let's go to controls. So if it is touching the boundary, the game should stop. So drag a stop all block. Alright, now if I set this somewhere here, as you can see it's not working because it is touching the black color and it's showing, it's not turning on. Okay, so now our movement, let's go to motion. First let's adjust, let's drag a, first up arrow will be change y by 5, our down arrow will be -5, right arrow will be move 10 steps instead of 10 to 5, and our left arrow will be move -5 steps. So let's try this out. As you can see it's working pretty fine. Alright, let me just try going through these. Alright, okay. Please don't die. Oh, it's a dead end. As you can see it's out. Now let's try this again. As you can see it's just not working because it is touching the black color, so we'll set it here. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, I wanted to go to xy, which is -107 and +139. All right, next thing I want to add is our reward. So click on choose a sprite. I will just choose basketball. Set the size to something like 30. Alright, and set it somewhere here. Instead of 30, let's just do 50. Okay, this should do. So let's just go to events, drag a when the green flag is clicked. Now let's go to controls, forever block, now an if then block. So if it is, let's go to sensing, drag touching, click on this and do ball. So if it is touching the ball, let's go to controls, should stop everything. So I will just drag it here. Now I'll drag it here. As you can see, it stopped. Alright. Now I want to make the game over plus the you lose. Oh, sorry, game over and you win screen. So click on paint a backdrop. Alright. Now click on text. Select the fill to be red. Click on sans serif and do marker and just write GAME, then space OVER. Select the mouse and make this big, just like so. Okay, I'll just position it somewhere else. Okay, this should do pretty fine. Now again click on paint a backdrop, then right, and instead of red just select the color to be green. Now write you win. You win. Alright, select the mouse, just make this big. Alright, now let's go to code. Okay, sorry, go to basketball. So if it is touching the ball, we want it to show this message. So let's go to events, broadcast, click on message 1, make a new message. We'll call this you lose. Sorry, you lose. Okay, hit enter. Alright, now the next thing is that I want to go to backdrops. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, I'll make it a little bigger so that you can see. So when the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks. We'll switch backdrop to click on backdrop 1 and do backdrop 1, which is our maze backdrop. Now when I receive you lose, let's go to looks, switch backdrop to click on backdrop 3 and do backdrop 2. Let's go to ball. When it is touching color red and black, or when it is game over for us, let's go to events, broadcast, click on Hey, wait a minute. Actually, what? Oh, so sorry, guys. We shouldn't be broadcasting you lose because it's actually win, so just delete it. Please forgive me. So if it is touching this, it should broadcast you lose. So let's go to basketball. Now, just broadcast, click on this new message, right? You win. Hit enter, alright? So let's go here. When I receive, click on you lose and do you win. Let's go to looks. Switch backdrop to backdrop 3. So it's our final test. Let's just try this out. Alright. Oopsie, game over. Let's just try this again. Okay. Oh, but let me just use a little hack. Set it somewhere here. So you can see it says you win. So guys, that's all I wanted to show you in this tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please consider subscribing to my channel as it really helps me a lot. Goodbye.